Here are the tools you're going to need: a 5/32 Allen key and a 1/8 Allen key, some blue Loctite, and then I have the 1/8 and 5/16 socket Allen key with the torque wrench to torque everything down. You can do it with Allen keys, just be careful you don't strip them out because it is aluminum and you will strip these out. Let's go ahead and get to the install. We'll take our 1/8 Allen key and break these loose. Take the other one. Make sure the cover doesn't fall. Now put this somewhere safe. All right, now we'll take our 5/16 Allen key and remove these 2 bolts. And this one. Pull the cover off. Put that off in a safe spot. And then there's the filter. Go ahead and put the new one on. All right, now with our new Arlen Ness filter, the Arlen Ness label goes on top. Put your cover plate on there, line up the holes. We'll go ahead and stick our bolt through there with Loctite. And we'll flip it over and we'll put the 2 spacers on. Spacer 1, spacer 2, and then we'll flip it over. All right, now we just need to line up the holes and get everything started with our hands first. All right, with them started, we'll go ahead and tighten these down. I'm gonna tighten this one till it's almost completely tightened and then do the other side, and then I'll crank them down to the right specification. Okay, now we'll torque these down to 48 inch-pounds, and that's inch-pounds, 48, 48. And now we'll take our cover plate, put that back on there, put a little bit of blue Loctite on these little bolts. Get them snug down, and then we'll torque it down. And these are to 30 inch-pounds. 30 and 30. You can do these by hand if you want, but I always just use the trusty torque wrench. I'll link this down in the description as well. And there's the difference. It's about 1/2 inch bigger. Definitely looks better though. But that's how you install the Arlen Ness Air Cleaner on a 114 Milwaukee 8. If you got any questions or comments, please put them down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And we'll catch you on whatever I'm doing next. Ride something, ride safe.